Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix YouTube videos loading slowly. So to fix that, it's very simple. First of all, you have to try to clear the cache of the app. So if you are using an Android, there is options to clear the cache, but if you are using iOS or iPhone, you have to delete the app and install it again because there is no clear cache options. To delete the app, you have to long press on it, and after that click on remove app and delete the app and install it again. And you can check also if there is an update for the app. So go to YouTube and check if there is update for the app, and if you see that blue icon of update, you should update your app and maybe it will fix that problem for you. And if not, also you can go to check your internet and check that your internet connection speed is good, and there is some apps that you can do that. For example, this speed test app, you can open it and check that the speed of your internet is good. For example, I will check mine. As you can see, it will give you the internet speed, because slow internet sometimes may cause this type of problems on YouTube. If the internet speed is good, you can just try to restart your phone and try to open the YouTube app again. So normally one of these solutions will fix that problem for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.